you made a funny face. I was hiding under the pages of the book to scare you. I can actually look into your nose from down here. You have quite a big nose. I think my whole family could live in there. Well, all jokes aside, I would like to welcome you, my esteemed guest, to my restaurant. Bonjour et bienvenue. I'll be your chef for the evening. They call me Le Petit Chef. I'm sure you can guess where they got this nickname from. You know, to tell you a secret, I actually had a very difficult start. It has been a very long journey to become the chef of this amazing restaurant. Let me show you. Many years ago, I was actually born and raised in Marseille, France. For as long as I can remember, I always had a passion for food, so it was a natural choice for me to open up my own food stand. At first I was so excited and so proud, but many days went by and I didn't get any customers. Other people, they said that my food was boring and uninspired. I was about to give up my dream of becoming a great chef, but then I discovered the book of Marco Polo. Did you know that this crazy Italian followed the Silk Road as far as China? He faced unbelievable challenges during his journey, but most importantly, he experienced all these different spices and he discovered so many secrets of exotic cuisines. Me, I started to dream about tasting the spices from India, the sweets from Arabia.